Welcome to TeleLeaf, the premier online telemedicine clinic in Texas. At TeleLeaf, we bridge the gap between patients and qualified doctors, offering same-day access to medical cannabis. The process is seamless and straightforward. The first step is to fill out your medical intake form online. Step 2, engage in a consultation with our expert doctors over the phone. And the final step, get access to your medicine. Don't worry about getting approved. The approval process is very easy. Also with TeleLeaf, there's a money-back guarantee if for some reason you are not approved. It is necessary to meet one of the qualifying conditions to get approved. Visit TeleLeaf.com or look in the description below to see the full list. As soon as you receive your approval in Texas, your physician will register you with CURT, C-U-R-T, the Compassionate Use for Registry of Texas. Upon receiving your application, the state will process it and dispensaries will be able to look you up in their system and dispense your medicine. The available product range typically includes edibles, oils, tinctures, and topicals, but always consult with the dispensary for their current offerings, as the product range can change based on state regulations. When you visit the dispensary, all you need is a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or a passport. Thank you for visiting TeleLeaf, where life change begins. We are your easy access to medical cannabis in Texas. Begin your journey with us today.